Hi guys, another little lot to show you. We've just received in the latest from ModelSvit and AA Models, so let's have a look at some of these. This is the latest one in armour from them. This is in 72nd scale. This is the MAZ 543-7310. It's one of the heavy armoured vehicles or heavy launch vehicles that they have. This is a continuation of a series that they've been doing. 72nd scale, so the kit's got a lot of detail for a 72nd scale kit, so you'll be working on it for a little while. But the reviews of the other kits and a few of the other things I've seen of this series has been very good. So if you're looking to continue that range of military vehicles, there you go. So that's that one. I'll show you both these. This is from Sova-M. This is one of the classics, or one of the aircraft of the 30s that was floating around. This is built by a company called Clark Aviation. I think they only ended up building 3 or 4 different aircraft, and they were taken over, and all the rest of the story of the history of American aviation. But these are some unusual airplane. They were not sold that well in America, but they did sell well overseas. The Spanish used them. That was actually used in the Spanish Civil War, or post, or around that time. These are a limited edition, by the way. But look, they're nice kits. Just another one of those classic, between the wars airliner type of aircraft, if you're looking to continue that series. This one's actually from markings for Japan. So that's a bit different. The kits themselves are very nice. In the same sort of series as Sova-M does do their kits, but nice, just nicely done. If you're just looking for a continuation of building aircraft between the wars, this is another couple you can add to it. So that's that series. This I have been waiting for a long time. Many years ago, I had hold of the ModelCraft F82 Mustang. I sort of built it, then I got sick of it, and then I got rid of it and threw it in the bin. I think I've still got the props somewhere, and I don't know why, because they're rubbish. But when ModelSvit announced this, I was over the moon. Considering they've done the P51H, I thought they've got to do a twin Mustang somewhere along the line, and finally they have. The first issue in 48 scale is the F82F/G. This is the later night fighter with the pod under the center section and everything else. The kit is superb. I haven't built it, so I can't tell you that it builds well, but from the look of it and everything else, it's just a lovely kit. The detail on the fuselages is very well done, very fine, very restrained. I'm sure people will discuss whether it should have this, that and the other thing on it, but to me, as what I call a general modeler, this is very nice. As I said, the details are really fine, the panel lines are really fine. It does have, though, it's probably like I had issues with the P51H. There seems to be like a little bit of a roughness to where they've done panel lines and things like that. So you need to give it a light sand over just to have a look at it. And also, I've noticed that on some of the trailing edges and that, there's a bit of a lip, which will need to be sanded down and so that you've got tidied up. So it's just a matter of a little bit of light sanding. So it's no big deal, just give it a polish over and you'll be fine. But the detail on the fuselage and everything else is just superb. Marking choices, you've got 2. You've got a black one and the silver ones, which I believe was... Actually no, this is all black ones. These are all black ones. So there's some really nice markings in there. So very well done. They're doing a earlier version, sorry, the EH I think it is, and that'll have the silver scheme on it. There's 2 boxes in there. Do not throw them out. That's where your canopies are, and there are 1 set of canopies in each, so don't think there's extra canopies or whatever. The instructions are the usual ModelSvit sort of instructions, all nicely detailed, very simple to follow. There's etched metal in there as well, and all sorts of things. So there's a lot to the kit, but don't forget you're building basically 2 aeroplanes with a single wing. So yeah, look, it's just really nicely done. There's your choices of markings. So very neat. I'm looking forward to getting one of these home to put it together. So yes, so that should be good. As I said, really well done. The other one that they've released, this is a continuation of their Yak series. This is the Yak 9A. couple. This is the first of their series actually. This is the Yak 9A. There seems to be a very big interest in Soviet fighters at the present time, because I know there's a few companies looking at doing various Yaks and MiGs and all the rest of it. Again, same sort of style as you expect from ModelSvit. That's the kit there. The detail's really nice. The work on the fuselage is good, and it still has that same thing. So you need to give it a little light sand over just to think. The fabric surface on the back is acceptable, because I think by the time you paint it and everything else, you'll have it. It'll sort of even out a little bit. So I think they've gone for that sort of almost too much, but enough that when you paint it, it'll settle down. So really well done. Big instruction sheet as usual. About 3 or 4 choices of markings, I think it is. Yeah, 4 choices of markings, all Soviet ones. So they're very, very well done. 5 markings actually, there you go. So that'll keep you busy. So beautiful, beautiful kit. If you look, just going to want to continue the Soviet fighter type series, so that's very nice. And last but not least, we've got restock of the Aussie Mirage. Now this has proved so popular, they had to do a second run, or we've got a second run done. So that's just come in, and also the Beech 200 has also just been reissued, or has just come back into us. Both of these have proved so popular it's not funny. As I said, they're both back in stock. So have a great day. Be patient with us. We are having issues like everybody else with deliveries and all the rest of it, but there's online, there's in-store. A lot of this will be in-store in the next few days or next week or so. So drop in, see us. We are open in both stores, so come and see us. Guys, have a great day. Talk to you soon. See you later. Bye.